student of B.Ed, third semester. Today we are going to learn and discuss about coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, we have learned Cartesian, x-axis and y-axis, axis and ordinate, origin, quadrants and sign convention. So, Cartesian. When two lines are perpendicular to each other is called Cartesian. We can also say rectangular coordinate axis. Let's see. Suppose these are two perpendicular lines. So this is called Cartesian, or we can also say rectangular coordinate axis. Suppose this is x dash and the other one is y dash. Here x dash and y dash are called x-axis and y-axis respectively, and they are intersecting the lines between a point. This point is known as origin, which was denoted by the sign O. Look at this. In this figure, we have seen x, O, x dash. Let's see x, O, x dash, y, O, y dash. They divided the Cartesian plane into four parts. Now let's see the abscissa and ordinate. Here we have two axes, x-axis and y-axis. These two axes are mutually perpendicular to each other. Now consider a point here. Suppose this is the point P. So the distance to point P from y-axis is called x-coordinate. X-coordinate. We can also say it abscissa. And the distance to the point P from y-axis is called y-coordinate. We can also say it ordinate. X-coordinate we have called it abscissa, and y-coordinate we have called it ordinate. Now from conclusion, we have to say that if we locate any point to the plane, we need its coordinate. So we always wrote x coordinate firstly and then y coordinate. What is the coordinate of this point P? So here x coordinate will be, what is x coordinate? 3, and x coordinate will be 3, and y coordinate will be, what is y coordinate? This is y coordinate 2. So this is the point 3, 2. The coordinate x, O, x dash and y, O, y dash divided the plane into 4 parts. This is called as coordinate. The coordinates are numbered in. Now, this is our first coordinate, this one is second coordinate, this is third coordinate, and this one is fourth coordinate. We can number in anti-clockwise direction. See, the anti-clockwise direction. For distance along x-axis, positive values are measured right side of the origin and negative values are measured left side to the origin. And for distance along y-axis, positive values are measured upward direction and negative values are measured downward side from the origin. Now let's see the quadrants and sign. We have 4 quadrants: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. How we can name them? By anti-clockwise direction. For first coordinate, here x, the value of x coordinate and y coordinate will be, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is also positive. So what is the value of coordinate for this? First coordinate plus. Here this denote x and this one is denote y. Now from second coordinate, what is the value of x coordinate and y coordinate? So value of x coordinate is negative and the value of y coordinate is positive. So what is the sign for this second coordinate? The first we have always wrote x coordinate, so the value is negative, it means minus, and y coordinate should positive, so the value is plus. Now for third coordinate, x and y, here x is negative. Let's see, x is negative and y is also negative. So what is the sign for third quadrant? Remember, we first always wrote x coordinate, so minus and minus. In fourth coordinate, what is x coordinate and what is y coordinate? So x is positive and y is negative. So what is the sign for fourth quadrant? Plus, minus. So let's see the table of rules of signs for coordinates. Here, quadrants, first, second, third, fourth, x coordinate, y coordinate and coordinates. So from this, we have seen for first quadrant, what is the value of x coordinate? Positive, and y coordinate will also positive. So we can write it positive, positive. So what is the coordinate for first? Plus, plus. And let's see what is the coordinates for second coordinate? Negative, positive. For third coordinate, we have seen x coordinate will be negative and y is also negative. So the sign for third coordinate will be negative, negative, and for fourth x coordinate will be positive and y is negative. The sign will be negative, positive. So this is the rules for signs of coordinate. I hope you like this. Thank you for watching.